Street Life, that's not Blanquita. It's your boy, The Plug. That's not Blanquita. Street Life, I got a loaner. Blanquita got another boo-boo. Got actually getting a, it's actually a warranty thing. Let me fix this camera. Yeah, I'm getting, y'all let me know if it's quick. Yo, I'm getting my CV boot fixed from the passenger side from the summer. I hear you with Tim. Hey, I check game. Look where I'm at though. So check it out. I'm gonna show y'all where I'm at. Because I'm at my next to my local Go Fast dealership. Check game. Hey, first of all, it's raining. We got the crazy. Now y'all got snow on the East Coast. We got rain in EP. Hey, hold on. Street Life. This is the dude. This is the infamous ATIIM. I've been seeing the homie all over social media. I've been trying to catch you. Hey, listen. Hey, check this. You had to get in El Paso. My bad. I've been in El Paso way too long.
Let's go.
Hey, check it. Listen.
Street Life.
First of all, I caught your the fur Russian hat. That shit, hey, you be killing them with that. I'm a fashion dude first. You be killing them with that. You be killing them. Now, the only reason I came today, I said, you know what? Ain't nobody selling no cars in the rain.
Bullshit.
I'm sorry. Y'all, ATIIM sell cars all the time.
Hey, man, the rainy day is one of the best days in the car business.
Oh, for real?
Really? Yeah.
No, but listen, here's why I shot through. I wanted to tell you. Street Life, the homie been playing with me. He been putting Go Fast. He been putting, look, Z06 bets. He putting all, listen, right now, Cadillac got to Go Fast in the city. I've been to the dock. They boo-boo. No Hellcats. No Hellcats. And all the Chevy dealerships, y'all scared to carry Z01s. Now listen, Tim told me, y'all know, this is Go Fast. You ain't got to rev it up. Brand new cars, we just, listen, I gotta work on my brand new car display as well. I'm trying to get some of that brand new car game. But the brand new Go Fast.
I tell you what, this is what we're going to do.
Yes, sir.
Today, a terrible day for us to be driving these fast-ass cars. But if you come see me when the rain clear, we're going to take one.
Okay, y'all heard that, Street Life.
You heard it.
Tell him.
He got it on tape.
Hold on, and listen, Street Life, we're going to do a promo real quick for the homie ATIIM, the #1 salesman in the city, or at least I see, because he's the only one I see on social media. Real quick, ATIIM, tell him where to find you here.
Let's go, El Paso, 6555 Montana Avenue, 79925. You see what's going on. We out here. It's raining. I'm out here trying to get to it. Y'all come on out here and social.
Hold on, let me get a look at y'all. Hold on, let me show y'all. That's Cadillac.
Yeah.
But look, it ain't got, it's GM, right?
GM, baby.
But if you want
Cadillac.
something, but look, he got them $200,000 Escalades for y'all.
I do. I want to give a special shout out to the troll.
Oh yeah, you got
that was heckling me.
You got trolls too?
I got trolls heckling me about transport wheels on the Escalade V. Guess what? That thing was gone in 24 hours. And I sold another one last night.
Let's go. Let's go. Listen, trolls, I want to let y'all know something. Trolls, y'all give us life. The more you hate, the more we post. Am I right or wrong?
Let's go. Oh, and by the way, thank y'all for monetizing me. Appreciate that.
You all hear that, Street Life? Your boy, with that, listen, your boy The Plug with the man himself. Scar. Hey, Street Life, you already know. It's your boy TJ with The Plug. Hey, look, Street Life, look. Hey, I've been kidnapped by the local Cadillac dealership. Hey, check it. This the homie Mike G. Yo, he's one of our dopest radio personalities. 92.3. Tell him about Mike G.
Very dope. Mike G with 92.3, the Fox Classic Rock all week long on Sundays. We do it old school style with the oldies, and we have a lot of fun with the Fox Jukebox. And I'm here with my good friends from Bravo, looking at a nice Cadillac. And you know, this is the time. They're trying to push a C4, maybe a C5, but
you trying to go fast?
Oh man, yeah.
Hey, your Street Life, tell them the C4, C5, go fast or go home.
That's right. Or how about a nice Escalade too, man? I think I can hop on and get a little step ladder to hop on that too.
You can sell your house and buy one of them Escalades. Hey, listen, I love $200,000 at 180 miles an hour.
You know how to drive standard?
Oh, hell yeah. I'm old school.
Let's go.
Let's go. So I'm talking about.
Monday, we're going to take this bad boy out.
Hey, Street Life. Y'all heard that. That's the homie ATIIM. Again, Bravo Cadillac. We coming on Monday.
And one more thing, Street Life, check us out. This why this thing's so exclusive. Number 86 of 474. After this, there will be no more.
Numbers! It's a numbers car, and ain't no more. Street Life. Y'all see this? Look. Street Life. This is a brand new 2026 Blackwing. Look at this. Electric blue. Now we gonna get a cold start. That's the precision feed engineering, Street Life. Street Life. Listen, Bravo Cadillac is the only one with the black wings in the city. Get over here to Bravo Cadillac right now, Street Life. Your boy, the Plug. Bravo Cadillac. We coming on Monday?
And one more thing, Street Life, check us out. This why this thing's so exclusive. Number 86 or 474. After this, there will be no more.
Numbers! It's a numbers car, and ain't no more. Limited. Your boy, the Plug. Skirt. Hey, I've been kidnapped by the local Cadillac dealership.
They're trying to push a C4, maybe a C5, but
You trying to go fast?
oh man, yeah.
Hey, your Street Life, tell them the C4, C5, go fast or go home. Street Life. Y'all see this? Look. Street Life. This is a brand new 2026 Blackwing. Look at this. Electric blue. Now we gonna get a cold start. Your boy, the Plug.